Hi, it's Coach Isaac, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools for getting the body to relax called box breathing. And this is really simple, and once you learn it, you'll never forget it. So here's what you're going to do. In an ideal situation, you'd find a really peaceful, calm place to relax and listen to some soft music. Now, that may not happen, and if that's the case, don't worry, this technique will still work. With your eyes closed, to turn the nervous system down, you're going to focus on breathing in for 2 seconds, holding your breath for 2 seconds, exhaling for 2 seconds through the mouth, pausing for 2 seconds, and then inhaling again for 2 seconds. After a few rounds of this box breathing, you can work your way up to 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds, and the longer you inhale and exhale, the more expansion you'll get through the body, the more oxygen, the more nutrients, and the longer the exhale, the more you will tell the brain that you are actually relaxing. And that will help you with digestion, it'll help you with bringing the nervous system down, it'll help bring blood back to the organs and out of the muscle tissues so you can have a nervous system that is ready to do different activities that are not related to high stress. And that is the box breathing exercise.